Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you the alternative to 192.com. Now, important thing to say is that most UK people search sites use the same open register that 192.com uses. Since many people opt out of this register, 192 is actually the only firm that purchases the open registers to sell to the public online. So like free alternatives with the same data depth are very limited. So the best ones are like visiting your local council. This is like the best free alternative that you can get with the full electoral register in person. So okay, some of it that I found out for yourself is like UK phone book. This is something that you can also check. Then also you can check the Truecaller. So it's like free app, identifies phone numbers, crowdsource data, and also the broadband. This is like another one that you can actually check out. So free to use, official phone directory, simple interface, BT directory, like inquiries. I'm going to show you right here. So like this is another one that you can like check out. Maybe it's going to be beneficial. But that's pretty much it what I want to share with you. So I hope this video provided a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.